Hi everyone, welcome back once again. In this tutorial I will show you how you could convert your files or folders into a zip file and then how you could unzip it. So the process I'm going to show you how you could compress your files and then decompress it once again. So throughout the tutorial series we have created one folder, subfolder, and we put some files there. Right now I'm going to turn these files into a zip file. So the process, I'm going to show you two process how to unzip it with the help of the WinRAR zip decompressor software as well. So for the time being I'm turning it into zip file. Why we compress file? Because sometimes file size are greater than 1 GB or 2 GB. Okay, so we need to decompress those files so that the size could be eliminated and we could give that small amount of files, the decompressed files, to our clients. Now I'm going to compress this file. So this one, the file is right now compressed into a zip file. As you have seen, the size of the previous file is 1.31 MB. Let's check the zip file one. It is 87.6 KB only. So after compressing, the file size getting smaller. So in this way we could compress our files. Right now it's time to decompressing it. So we have to click on the folder and click on the right button of our folder, and then I'm going to click on extract all. So as you have seen, there is a pop-up coming up, and then if I click on extract, it's turned the compressed file into decompressed one. So you can see that we have our decompressed file right now available. Now I'm going to show you another software we can also use to decompressing files. The name of the software is WinRAR. So I'm going to installing it right now, and you have seen that I'm clicking on installing and it is on the way to installing. So it's done. Now I'm going to decompress this file. So this is our zip file. Now I'm selecting the zip file that we created, and right now I'm clicking on the right button of our mouse and I'm clicking on extract here. Okay, so you have seen that we have decompressed our file. It is the compressed one and it is the decompressed one with the help of our WinRAR software. So in these two ways you could compress your files and decompress your files. Hopefully you understand the file compression and decompression process, and I am hopeful that this video will help you to do your compression work. Thank you.